श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्री भवानी शंकराय नमः. श्री मात्रे नमः. आयच्या घराना संगीत सेवेच्या कार्यक्रमांतून होसंगडी वसन मामो, निलेश्वर महेश मामो, बेटरबेट प्रभाकर मामो, गुलवाडी ओमकार मामो तथा घराना परिवाराधिकाथोन हांव स्वाती पुतली तुमगल सगळ्यांगल स्वागत करता. जय शंकर. आयच्या आमगेल कार्यक्रमांतून आमगेल विनंतीक मान दिवन श्रीमती पद्मिनी राव तिगल गायनाच प्रस्तुती करूक आमच्या मध्येन तू उपस्थित आसा. किराणा घराण्याची कर्तृत्वशाली पद्मिनीपाची पद्मभूषण श्रीमती प्रभा आत्रेगली वरिष्ठ शिष्या 35 वर्ष दोरनू तिगल सानिध्यांत आसा. सान असतना पंडित ओटवकराल्या गायन शिकून श्रीमती प्रमिला डागरा लागी पद्मिनीपाचीन 6 वर्ष सताराच तालीम घेतली. जाल्यारी गायन चड प्रीत आशिल्ली तीन वापस गायनाचेरी संपूर्ण लक्ष दिवन ध्रुपद आनी रुद्रवीणाचो महाकलाकार स्वर्गीय उस्ताद जिया मोईउद्दीन खान डागरा लागी गायकीचो कठोर अभ्यास करून सुमार 20 वर्सां ह्या दोगय गुरूंक गेल्या नेतृत्वांतून गायनाची तयारी केली. ठुमरी, भजन इत्यादी सुगम संगीता प्रकाराचेरी जालतरी पद्मिनीपाचीने तितलोच अभ्यास करून वर्कशॉप्स, सेमिनार्स, लेक्चर डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन्स इत्यादी एशिया, युरोप, USA असं जगाच्या प्रख्यात भागांतून आपणाल कलेच प्रदर्शन करून मस्त वावाही आणि ख्याती प्राप्त केल्या. हाच अतिरिक्त बहुभाषी पद्मिनी पाचेकर नाट्यशास्त्र, संगीत निर्देशन इत्यादीचोय मस्त अनुभव आशिल्ली तीन थोडे एज्युकेशनल फिल्म्सांतू म्युझिक डायरेक्शन केल्या आणि इंडियन काउन्सिल फॉर कल्चरल रिलेशन्साची एम्पॅनल्ड आर्टिस्ट म्हूण आसा. पद्मिनी पाचेकर हार्मोनियमार साथ दिवच्याक संगीत क्षेत्रांतुले आनी एक ख्यातीपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व म्हळ्यारी आमगेल सगळ्यांगेल प्रिय श्रीमती संगीता भटकलपाची उपस्थित आसा. संगीता पाचेने घरानांतू तिगल स्वताल गायनाच प्रस्तुती मात्र नाही, अनेक गायक कलाकारांगेली अत्यंत विनम्रतेने आणि निस्वार्थ भावनेने हार्मोनियमारी साथ दिल्या आणि दित्त असता. संगीता पाचे तुगल मस्त स्वागत आसा. पद्मिनी पाचेक तबल्यार साथ दिवच्याक आमगेल चित्रापूर सारस्वत समाजाचो एकू ब्रिलियंट रायझिंग स्टार आमक सगळ्यांक गोत आशिल्लो मिहीर कल्याणपूर मामू पद्मिनी पाचेल उतरां मान दिवन उपस्थित आसा. मिहीर माम घराणा परिवारू भोव खुशीने तुगल स्वागत करता. सान आसतना धोरनुची मिहीर मामाक तबल म्हळ्यारी भोव प्रीत आशिल्लो. तागेल 7 वर्सांच प्रायरीची बेटरबेट प्रभाकर मामाने ताक तबला वादनाचे मार्गदर्शन करू सुरू केलेले. कडेरी हैदराबादच्या उस्ताद शेख दाऊद अल पुतू उस्ताद शब्बीर निसारा लागी सुमार वर्ष दोरनू तबल्या शिक्षण घेवन अनेक अवॉर्ड्स मिहीर मामान घेतल्यांत मात्र नाही, हॉडॉड तबला वादक आणि नामांकित गायकांनी तागेल मस्त स्तुती केल्या आणि करत असता ती. आमगेल सर्वांगेल वतीने मिहीर कल्याणपूर मामाले स्वागत आणि अभिनंदन. पद्मिनी पाचे गायन प्रस्तुती आरंभ करूक तुगल स्वागत.
Namaskar. It is my great pleasure to present my music today, and I thank Gharana online series for giving me this opportunity. I'm speaking in English because there are a lot of listeners I know who have tuned in who don't speak Konkani. And I will, in keeping in mind that a lot of my listeners today are from North America, I will be presenting a morning rag, Rag Jaunpuri, 3 compositions, Vilambit Ektal, followed by Chota Khyal in Drut Teen Tal, and then Tarana in Drut Ektal. These compositions are all by my Guru, Swarayogini, Dr. Prabhatri. Rag Jaunpuri. निठुर गयो मोहे बिसर गयो ऐसो निठुर जनम की जनम की जनम की जनम जनम की जनम की जनम की जनम 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 की जनम की जनम 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 की रीत न जाने मोहे जोगन कर गयो ऐसो निठुर सा निठुर सावरो मतवारो मिल बिछुर गयो मोहे बिसर गयो ऐसो निठुर सावरो निठुर सावरो सावरो मिल बिछुर गयो मोह बिसर गयो ऐसो निठुर सावरो सावरो ऐसो निठुर सावरो निठुर सावरो निठुर सावरो सावरो रे प ग रे मा प नि सा रे नि सा नि सा रे मा प रे मा प नि प सो नि रे मा प रे नि सा रे मा रे नि सा रे रे नि सा रे नि सा म रे नि सा मा प नि नि सा रे रे मा प मा प सो नि रे सा रे रे मा प द नि सा ग प द नि सा ग रे नि सा ग रे नि सा ग प ग रे नि टुर सा नि सा रे रे सा नि सा द सा सा नि द प म प द नि मा नि द प म रे म प द रे द म म प म ग रे सा सा रे म प म प द नि सा नि द प म ग रे सा सा नि द प म ग रे सा रे रे सा नि सा म ग रे सा नि सा द नि सा नि द प म प द नि रे म प द नि सा रे म प द सा नि द प म ग रे सा रे प म ग रे रे म नि द प म ग रे रे सा रे प म ग रे सा नि टुर सा नि सा नि सा रे रे सा नि सा द नि द सा नि द प म प प म नि द प म ग रे सा रे रे म ग रे सा रे म प द नि द प म ग रे सा म रे म प द सा रे रे सा नि द प म प द नि सा रे म प द नि सा सा रे रे म प प द ध नि सा नि द प म ग रे सा रे सा नि द प म ग रे सा सा रे सा नि द प म प द नि द प द म प ग रे म प नि टुर सा छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा। नंद लाला छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा, नंद लाला छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, बाजत है मोरी पायलिया, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, बाजत है मोरी पायलिया, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला। छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, बाजत है मोरी पायलिया, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा। इतनी बिनती मोरी मानो कान्हा, इतनी बिनती मोरी मानो कान्हा, राजावत मोहे परू तोरे पैया, बाजत है मोरी पायलिया, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न छेड़ो न मोहे छेड़ो न छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा नंद लाला, बाजत है बाजत है बाजत है बाजत है मोरी पायलिया, छेड़ो न मोहे कान्हा। तोरे पैया बाजत है मोरी पायलिया छेड़ो ना मोए गाना छेड़ो ना छेड़ो ना मोए छेड़ो ना मोए काना नंदलाला छेड़ो ना मोए काना नंदलाला बाजत है बाजत बाजत है बाजत है मोरी पायलिया छेड़ो ना मोए काना तेने बेनती मोरे तेने बेनती मोरे मानो प्राणा लाज आवत मोहे पड़ू तोरे पैया बाजत है मोरे पायलिया छेड़ो ना मोए काना नंदलाला छेड़ो ना मोए काना छेड़ो ना मोए काना छेड़ो ना मोए काना तानु तदरे दीम तन तानु तानु तदरे दीम तन तानु तदरे दीम तन तानु तदरे दीम तन तानु तदारे दीम तन तानु तदारे तदारे दारे तन नन दीम दीम तन तानु तदारे दीम तानु तदारे तदारे दारे तन नन दीम दीम तन तानु तदारे दीम तन तानु तदारे तदारे दारे तन नन दीम दीम तन तानु नादे दे दानी दानी तन नन नादे दे दानी दानी तन नन नादे दे दानी दानी तन तन नादे दे तन 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 नादे दे तन 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 नादे दे दानी दानी तन नन नादे दे दानी नादे दे दानी दानी तन दीम तन नन दीम दीम तन दीम तन नन दीम दीम तन तानु तदारे दे नादे दे दानी दानी तन नन नादे दे दानी 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 नादे दे दानी दानी नादे दे दानी 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 नादे दे दानी दानी तन नन दीम तन नन दीम दीम तन दीम तन नन दीम तदारे दारे तन नन दीम दीम तन तानु तदारे दे तानु दारे 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 तानु तदारे तदारे दारे तानु तदारे तदारे दारे तदारे 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 दारे तानु तदारे दीम तन तानु तदारे तदारे दारे तन नन दीम दीम तन तानु तदारे तदारे दारे तन नन दीम दीम तन तानु तानु de de da ni ha na de de da de de da ni da ni da ni da ni na de de na de de da ni da ni da na 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 di da na 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 di di da na di da na na di di da na ta nu da da re di da ta nu da da re da da re da re da da na na di di da na ta nu ta nu ta nu
Pachi, thank you so much. Before you start with your next performance, may I request you to slightly increase the harmonium level slightly? It is absolutely not audible to us.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Harmonium is
Not
not
connected
not audible at all. Please, thank you.
because it's very, very loud here
I
for
know,
me.
I know, I know, I know. You must be, but if it could just be managed, thank you, thank you.
Okay, we'll try. We'll try our
Sure,
best.
sure. Thank you so much.
How much time more do I have?
You have around 10 more minutes.
Hello?
You have 10, 10,
Sorry?
10, 10, 10 more
Okay.
minutes.
Okay. Okay. Then I can see that. Before I conclude with a Bhairavi, I would like to thank Gharana online series, Mahesh Nileshwar ma'am, Vasant Sangri ma'am, Omkar Gulwadi ma'am, and Betruvet Prabhakar ma'am for giving me this opportunity to share my music with everyone. I would like to extend my thanks to Sangeeta Vatkalpachi and Mihir, my wonderful accompanist. I would also like to give a big thanks to my husband Kishore, who has been my tech support, without whom I couldn't have done this today. And above all, I would like to thank each and every one of you who have joined in to listen today and walked part of my journey with me. Thank you so much. I will conclude with a Bhairavi. It's Vasant Sangri Mam's Farmaish. Vasant Mam, this is for you. It's Meera Bhajan. The music has been composed again by my guru, Dr. Prabhatre. It's a bhajan, but the presentation form is a little more detailed and more in the style of a thumri. Barse Badariya Savaniki, Savaniki Manabhavaniki, Mishra Bhairavi, Meera Bhajan. Is the harmonium audible now?
Yes, definitely. It is excellent.
Okay.
Thank you.
बरसे बदरिया 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 बरसे बदरिया सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की सावन की मन भावन की सावन की मन भावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की सावन की मन भावन की सावन की मन भावन की सावन की मन भावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की सावन में यूं जो मेरो मनवा सावन में जो मेरो मनवा सावन में जो मेरो मनवा सावन में मेरो मनवा सावन में सावन में जो मेरो मनवा सावन में जो मेरो मनवा सावन में जो मेरो मनवा बनत सुनिहारी बनत सुनिहारी बनक सुनी हरे बनक सुनी हरे बनक सुनी बरसे बदरिया सावन की। नन्हे नन्हे बूंदन 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 मेघा बरसे नन्हे नन्हे बूंदन मेघा बरसे नन्हे नन्हे बूंदन मेघा बरसे शीतल पवन सुहावन की शीतल पवन सुहावन की शीतल पवन सुहावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की सावन की मन भावन की सावन की मन भावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की। मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर आनंद मंगल आनंद मंगल आनंद मंगल आनंद मंगल गावन की आनंद मंगल गावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की सावन की मन भावन की सावन की मन भावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की सावन की सावन की।
वा, अलौकिक जाल तुगल कार्यक्रम पद्मिनीपाची. आउटस्टँडिंग एकम्पनीमेंट संगीतापाची आणि मिहीर माम. वसन मामाने थोडे दीस फुडें पद्मिनीपाचीलाक फोनार उलयतना ती म्हणाल खंय घराना कॉन्सर्ट जगभर आयकतात लोक. थोडे कड सकाळीं आसता, थोडे कड दनपार, थोडे कड सांज, आमगेल इंडियांत राती आनी ऑस्ट्रेलियांत तेवय मदराती. तावळ हांव खंच राग म्हणच म्हणू. अश म्हणटा ती मिया तानसेनाने तागेल गायना प्रभावाने दिव्य जळयल खंय, पावस हाडयलल खंय. म्हाक तरी दिसता की पद्मिनी पाचिल्या गायनाने सगळे जगांतू दिवसू आनी राती एक लॅक केली. We have a few questions for you, Padmini Pachi. You have lived abroad in different countries in the past 30 years. You know several languages. You have even composed music and done experimental theatre. How did you manage all this? How many languages do you speak? We would like to know about your journey. What were the challenges you faced and your achievements?
Can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, well, my journey has been. I'm getting echoes. I don't know. Anyway, my journey has been a very challenging one, but very exciting and very enriching. Challenging because we were outside India for 30 years in different countries. And for me, my education for a very large portion has been a long distance one. And in those days, we did not have any resources like YouTube and Zoom and Skype. So I used to come to India, and here I'm blessed with wonderful gurus, Dagar Sahib and Prabhatai, who always made time for me, and I was overwhelmed by their generosity in imparting knowledge. If anything I have not picked up, it's because of my limitations, not because of my gurus were very generous. And I used to record whatever I was taught and take it back. I would take it in a condensed form and then work on it. So it was challenging, but enriching because I had to figure out a lot of things. My guru Dagar Sahib had told me, "Beta, rasta main dikhaunga, gali dhoondna tumhara kaam hai," and that is what I did. And it has also been wonderful. It has really been a family venture because I was supported by everyone in my family, my parents, my husband, even my children, who understood what my journey was, what my goal is, what matters, and they wholeheartedly supported me in several ways. So yes, that is how my journey has been. It's basically the option of not doing it never even occurred to me, and it just goes to show that if the passion is there, I think the path appears by itself. You just need to stay on track, and gurungal anugraha malgadangal ashirvadu, and that helped me. And coming to speak languages, yeah, I think every language comes with an entire world of its own, of literature, sahitya, it's the poetry. So yeah, I speak 6 Indian languages, and I've learned Dutch, and I did French for 8 years. So yeah, so I speak about 8 languages. Unfortunately, now, although I live in Bangalore, I don't speak Kannada. I'm trying to learn that now. And about theater, yes, when I was in college, I was very much involved with the experimental, what they call avant-garde theater, and I was part of Jaydev Hattangadi sir's group. I did it for a couple of years, but then I had to give it up because the theater world starts at 9 p.m. and I would come home at 2 a.m. after rehearsals, and I would wake up at 4 for my Swara Sadhana. So I did this for a year or two. And then my father put his foot down and said, "Something has to give. You can't survive on 2 hours of sleep like this. You'll." So then I'm just a very avid enthusiast watching theater. And But it has been, that was a wonderful phase too. So I think I just, I didn't think that I'm doing something special. It's just something I had a passion for and I just do it. That's it. Hello?
Thank you very much for sharing your experiences with us, Padmini Pachi.
You're welcome.
अशीची तुगल इच्छ आशिल्ले प्रत्येक कार्यक्षेत्रांतू आमगेल गुरु परंपरा आणि भवानी शंकर देव तुक यश प्राप्ती दित असो अशी तांतलागी आमगेल सगळ्यांगेल करबद्ध प्रार्थना. जय शंकर.
Jai
Nilesh mom.
Shankar.
Mahesh mom, request you to give your vote of thanks, please.
Thank you. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Bhavani Shankaraya Namaha. Om Matre Namaha. Welcome to another edition of a beautiful morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. And happy Makar Sankranti, Bihu, Lori to all of you. I want to I was thinking of speaking in Konkani, but as we have other audiences, I will continue with English. Ek Vinanti, I'll begin with a Vinanti before I go to, I have two things. One is Vinanti and I want to talk about Garva. So Magal, Ek Vinanti Malari, we are all going through a difficult time. And, in Canada, we've just, in Toronto and Ontario especially, we've been into emergency lockdown. So a lot of people we know, family, friends, are in difficult situations. Some are in hospital, some are recovering. So what I request all of you to do is when you go home or before you sleep, if you can chant Mahamrityunjay mantra for all our friends and family to get well as soon as possible with all this going on. So that is my Magal Vinanti. Next one, Garva. I'm so proud. I'm so proud today. Mihir did his solo performance almost a year ago, and he's back. And, it's the generation. I mean, I could see Padmini Pachi singing, and Arya, who is one of the students, upcoming Amchi artist, was so involved, encouraged to listen to you. So it is so, I'm filled with pride, sorry. And so the same way we have, ours is a very small community. And what happens is that we have talent everywhere, right? Everybody's talented in their own way. So everybody knows about Prabhakar Betterbet Mom, very quiet warrior. I would say he so many people know him, so many students all around the world. I was surprised to see, can you see my screen? Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So I came across this book, Tihai, which is written by Prabhakar Betterbet Mom and Sandeep Hatangdi, and forward by Pandit Sadanand Naimpally Mom. So it's all an Amchi effort. So I'm not sure if Prabhakar Mom wants to, I don't know much about the book. I just came across it. Prabhakar Mom, would you like to say a few words, or later we can do a presentation on the book, whichever way. 1 second, I have to unmute you. 1 second. Yeah, you can unmute yourself, Mom. One second, you're not unmuted. Yeah, you're okay now.
Now?
Yeah.
See, this is not the time because it's a long story.
Okay.
So we'll keep it for some other time.
Yes. Okay. No worries. No
And
worries.
what is more important is we will discuss about Padmini Pachi's
Yeah.
program.
After 2 minutes, we will talk about it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Mom. Thank
Back
you.
to you.
Yeah. Thank you. So another very important thing is there is a lot of things go on during the Gharana program, identifying the artists, sound check. A lot of efforts go into all this. And as you all know, Vasant Mom has been involved in a big way and in organizing all these things. And you probably have heard Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Yes, thank you. So Kandra Saraswat Association and who's Jairam Kambatkon Mam, who is part of it, has, graciously Vasant Mam will be felicitated on 31st of January. We would request all of you to be there. So there's other Amchi stalwarts who will also be felicitated. And I would like to thank Kandra Saraswat Association and Jairam Mam and his team on this special occasion. So that's also some garv for all of us. That's what I wanted to talk about. And the next one, thank you, Swati Pachi, for an amazing emceeing today. You might have seen her sing in a bhajan group, sing solo. Now she's emceeing. I don't know what next she has in her bag of talent. So we'll wait and watch. Padmini Pachi, thank you so much. Thank you so much. She has some leg pain and difficulty, but she sat through and sang for us. Sangeeta Pachi, the name itself indicates that you have Sangeet in your blood. Thank you so much again to all. And next week, so this is the most important part. Seva, you can do it anytime you want if you're keen on doing it. So next week we have Dev Kopikar Mam from Australia. He will be singing live at 2 a.m. Australia time. So that is the dedication. Please come and support him and encourage him. He's an amazing artist. We look forward to speaking with all of you next week. So I'm going to enable everybody's microphone so you can talk to the participant artists. 1 second. Yeah, all of you can talk now.